Dive into the world of passive income and uncover the secrets that even the laziest among us can use to make money while doing nothing. You know that feeling when you're kicking back, relaxing, and money just seems to appear in your account? No? Well, that's the dream, right? We're talking about building wealth while you sleep, earning income without lifting a finger. Okay, maybe not literally doing, but close enough. Passive income is a fascinating concept, and it's especially relevant for those who prefer a laid-back lifestyle. So, if you're tired of the daily grind and want to learn how to make your money work for you, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into some of the best passive income ideas out there. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about dividend stocks. These are like the VIPs of the passive income world. You see, when you buy a dividend stock, you're not just buying a piece of a company. You're buying a piece of their profits. That's right, these companies share a portion of their earnings with shareholders, and guess what? You become a shareholder when you buy their stock. Now, not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some companies have a long history of paying dividends consistently, year after year, like clockwork. We call these the dividend aristocrats. These are the companies that have weathered economic storms, recessions, maybe even a pandemic or two, and still, they keep paying those dividends. Think of it like owning a little money-making machine. You put in some work up front to research and choose the right stocks, and then, boom! That machine starts spitting out cash on a regular basis. It's like having a side hustle that pays you to do nothing. But, well, you might be thinking, how do I even get started with this dividend investing thing? It's actually simpler than you might think. You can start by opening a brokerage account. There are tons of them out there, some with really low fees, which is what you want. Once you've got your account set up, you can start researching different dividend stocks. Look for companies with a solid track record of dividend payments and a history of growth. You want companies that are financially sound and likely to continue paying dividends well into the future. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, one stock. Spread your investments across different industries and sectors to minimize your risk. That way, if one company hits a rough patch, your entire portfolio won't go down with it. Investing in dividend stocks is like planting seeds for a future forest of wealth. It takes time, it takes patience, but the rewards can be significant. And the best part is, you get to sit back, relax, and watch your money grow, all while enjoying that laid-back lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Next up on our passive income journey, let's talk about rental properties. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Owning a rental property doesn't sound very passive. Isn't that a lot of work? And you're right, it can be. But it can also be a fantastic way to generate passive income, especially if you play your cards right. Let's be real, being a landlord isn't for everyone. You've got to deal with tenants, repairs, maybe even the occasional late-night plumbing emergency. But the potential rewards can be massive. We're talking about monthly cash flow, appreciation in property value, and even some sweet tax advantages. Now, there are a few different approaches to rental properties. You could go the traditional route and buy a single-family home or a small multifamily property. This gives you more control over your investment, but it also means you're on the hook for all the maintenance and tenant issues. Or you could explore options like REITs or real estate investment trusts. These are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate, and they can be a more hands-off way to invest in rental properties. You're essentially buying shares of a company that manages a portfolio of properties, so you don't have to deal with the day-to-day hassles of being a landlord. Another strategy is to hire a property manager. Yes, it cuts into your profits a bit, but a good property manager can save you a ton of time, stress, and potentially even money in the long run. They handle everything from finding tenants and collecting rent to dealing with repairs and maintenance. The beauty of rental properties is that they offer multiple streams of income. You've got the rental income itself, which can cover your mortgage payments and other expenses, and then you've got the potential for appreciation. As property values rise over time, so does the value of your investment. And let's not forget about the tax benefits. Rental property owners can deduct expenses like mortgage interest, property taxes, insurance, and even repairs. These deductions can significantly reduce your tax liability and boost your overall returns. So, while rental properties might not be the most passive income stream out there, they offer incredible potential for long-term wealth building and a steady stream of passive income. Now let's switch gears and dive into the exciting world of online courses. This is where things get really interesting, especially if you're passionate about sharing your knowledge and helping others. You see, everyone's an expert at something. Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a coding guru, or perhaps you have a knack for teaching people how to bake the perfect sourdough bread. Whatever your skill or passion, there's a good chance you can create an online course around it and start generating passive income. The beauty of online courses is that they're incredibly scalable. Once you've created your course content, you can sell it to an unlimited number of students without having to put in any additional effort. It's like creating a product once and selling it over and over again. But still, you might be wondering, how do I even get started with creating an online course? Well, the first step is to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? What problems can you help people solve? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to start creating your course content. This could include video lessons, downloadable worksheets, quizzes, and even interactive elements like live Quanda sessions. Then, you need to choose a platform to host your course. There are tons of options out there, some specifically designed for online courses and others that are more general-purpose learning management systems. The key to success with online courses is to create high-quality content that provides real value to your students. You also need to market your course effectively to reach your target audience. Promoting your course can be as simple as sharing it on social media, or you could get more strategic with targeted advertising or by collaborating with other creators in your niche. Online courses offer an incredible opportunity to monetize your knowledge, help others, and generate passive income while doing something you love. It takes effort up front, but once your course is up and running, it can continue to generate income for months, even years to come. Alright, are you ready for one of the most effortless passive income streams out there? Get this, you can actually get paid for browsing the web. I'm not kidding! We're talking about earning money from your online searches just by using specific browser extensions or apps. Now I'll be honest, this method won't make you rich. But hey, it's free money, right? And who couldn't use a little extra cash for simply doing what you already do every day? Browsing the internet. These special browser extensions and apps work by collecting data about your browsing habits. This data is valuable to market research companies, and they're willing to pay for it. Don't worry, it's all anonymized and aggregated, so your personal information is never at risk. Once you install one of these extensions or apps, it runs quietly in the background while you browse the web. You'll earn points or cash rewards for every search you make, every website you visit, and even for completing surveys or watching videos. It's important to note that not all browser extensions and apps are created equal. Some are definitely better than others in terms of rewards, privacy policies, and overall user experience. So it's crucial to do your research and choose one that aligns with your needs and values. Think of it like this. You're already spending countless hours browsing the internet. Why not get rewarded for it? It's like getting paid to procrastinate. Okay, maybe not the best way to think about it, but you get the idea. While earning from online searches might not be a significant income stream, it's an effortless way to put a little extra cash in your pocket. Hold on to your hats because we're about to enter the world of getting paid to play. That's right, you can actually earn passive income by watching videos, playing games, and even just moving around. We live in a digital age where there are apps for everything, and some of these apps are willing to pay you for your time and attention. It might sound too good to be true, but I assure you, it's not. Let's start with the world of watching videos. There are apps out there that will pay you to watch ads, movie trailers, short clips, you name it. You can earn points, gift cards, or even cash just for watching videos in your spare time. Then there's the exciting world of mobile gaming. There are apps that offer rewards for playing games and reaching certain milestones. You can earn points, virtual currency, or even real money just by playing games on your phone. But it gets even better. There are even apps that will pay you to move. That's right, you can earn rewards for walking, running, or even just hitting a certain number of steps each day. These apps work by tracking your activity through your phone's sensors, and they reward you for staying active. It's a win-win. You get paid to get in shape, and the app gets valuable data about your fitness habits. Now, it's important to note that these apps typically don't pay out huge sums of money, but hey, it's still money for doing things you might already be doing anyway. Plus, it's a fun and engaging way to earn some extra cash on the side. So if you're looking for a truly passive income stream that requires minimal effort, look no further than your smartphone. Download a few of these apps, start watching videos, playing games, or getting active, and watch the rewards roll in. So there you have it, folks. We've explored some of the most exciting and accessible passive income ideas out there. From dividend stocks and rental properties to online courses, search engine rewards, and even getting paid to play, the possibilities are endless. Remember, building passive income streams takes time, effort, and a bit of creativity. But the rewards are well worth it. Imagine a life where your money works as hard as you do, where you can earn income without being chained to a desk, where you have the freedom and flexibility to pursue your passions. So if you're ready to start earning passive income and living the laid-back lifestyle you've always dreamed of, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more tips and strategies.